Hey friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Oleg. This is one and only Mr. Bond. We like watches. In today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing of this box right here, this coconut water. I'm just kidding, it's not coconut water actually. It's a new microbrand watch. Now the reason why I'm doing an unboxing video instead of a full review, because I just received this watch and their Kickstarter campaign is ending in a few days. So I thought, hey, maybe you guys care about this new microbrand. Maybe you're looking for a new field watch, and on this channel I'm committed to bringing you new and fresh watches / giving you my perspective on watches. Which brings me to my next point. This one right here is a prototype watch. Now they said they will send us a full production version when that's ready, so maybe I'll do a full review at that point, probably sometime next year. But for now, let's unbox this watch. Haven't yet unboxed the watch in a coconut water box before. There's a first for everything. Kirkland brand, look at that. Someone was shopping in Costco. By the way, how great is Costco? Apparently they have some kind of partnership with these brands because they're able to provide some pretty affordable watches there. Nothing that really interests me, although I've heard some rumors about people picking up like Omega Speedmasters and things at Costco. So I don't know how true that is. Maybe if any of you guys have experience of buying a watch in Costco, let me know in the comment section below. Now I'm getting off on the tantrum, but actually my very first watch that I bought in Canada, my mom bought for me. That was back when I was in high school. It was an Invicta watch, and I did buy it in Costco. So a little fun story for you. All right, so let's open up the box, see what's going on here. All right, so it's well packaged. Now, of course, when you buy one of these watches, when you back the campaign, it's not going to arrive in a little box like that. You will receive a proper box. Again, this is just an engineering sample. It's not the final production version. I'm excited. Okay. Oh, nice. I was hoping to get my hands on the blue version. This looks pretty good, doesn't it? So I should mention some specs. It's a 40mm diameter case, 46mm from one lug to another. It has a lug width of 20mm and it's only 11.5mm thick. So this should fit on the wrist quite nicely. The watch is also really light. Now, one of the reasons why it's so light is because it's titanium watch. Is it just me, or is the new trend for titanium watches? It just feels like every other microbrand is releasing their version of a titanium diver or a titanium field watch, like this watch here. So this is obviously a field watch, this kind of everyday watch that you would wear for your tough activities, if you go hiking, if you work with your hands, if you're in trades. This is a watch for that purpose. Also has a sapphire crystal and a fairly attractive design, if I say so myself. Nice angular case. I believe it's a screw down crown. Yes, it is a screw down crown. Not bad. Good action on this case and on the crown. Fairly satisfying. Really nice and light. So the movement in this watch is the familiar Seiko NH35. We wouldn't expect any different. It's nice reliable movement, 24 joules, 21,600 vibrations per hour. Pretty good choice for a movement in any microbrand watch. 100 meters of water resistance. Screw down case back. I like the strap. This is kind of their canvas strap. You can see I got some use out of it already. I think this watch was previously reviewed by somebody else. That's why it got to me so late. Plus, of course, the pandemic. The delays are everywhere. Seems like the watch has pretty good looms sometimes with these prototype watches. It's a bit of a hit or miss. Sometimes they don't apply it properly because it is just an engineering sample. This one here, actually, even on a prototype, the loom is pretty good, and it's a C3 Super Luminova. Drilled lock holes makes it super easy to change straps. I think this watch would actually look pretty good on a NATO strap, maybe a Bond NATO. Who knows? I'll post some pictures on Instagram. The strap doesn't have quick release pins. Kind of an omission in my book. That's going to be my first negative. What I do like though is that the date wheel is color matched to the dial, and the dial itself is very attractive. It has this gradient, so it goes from dark blue, almost black, to a lighter shade of blue. It's a very interesting blue actually. I haven't seen too many watches with this blue. It's almost teal. It's very muted and nice. Very good for a field watch like this. The watch is actually available in a few different color combinations. Check out their Kickstarter campaign if you're interested in seeing other color combinations of this watch. Everything on the dial is printed except for the applied indices, date frame around this window, and it's a very angular date frame. Nice touch. So the price on Kickstarter of this watch is $399. A little high in my opinion. Maybe $350, even $300 would be a better price. And don't get me wrong, the watch is quite nice. I just wish it was maybe 50, maybe 60 bucks cheaper. I appreciate you watching this video until the end. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this mini review slash unboxing, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this watch right here. Did you back this campaign? What do you think? They absolutely smashed their goal, so that's pretty cool to see. People are still buying a lot of micro brands. People are still backing new ideas. That's really awesome. And subscribe to the channel. We release new videos every week. By the way, today on my wrist, I'm wearing my Tudor Black Bay 58. It's our 1 year anniversary with this watch. I bought it exactly 1 year ago. I will leave a link to the review of this watch in the description below. Also in the description below there are a couple of other links. The first link is a secret link, have a look if you're curious. The second link is a link to bondnatostraps.com. If you're looking for a great quality NATO strap and want to support this YouTube channel at the same time, buying one of these NATO straps is a great way to do so. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys next time.